Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then scroll and go to device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Confirm everything with your screen lock, of course, and tap on fingerprint. Tap on done. And you should tap on add fingerprint or something like that, but if you just turn it off, no worries, simply tap on add fingerprint. Here we've got the information about the screen sticker, or basically the tempered glass or something like that. It might affect the screen lock, the sensor, so be aware about that. Tap on OK. Here we've got the sensor, so we have to put our finger on it and now do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Now the edges. OK. Tap on OK. And here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, rename it or remove it. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We can change the fingerprint animation style and decide whether we would like to show the fingerprint icon on the locked screen. So now all we have to do is to lock the screen and check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.